What if I told you, your pot lid could be ruining your meals? After 6 months of testing with food scientists and chefs, these 5 lids delivered perfect cooking results every time. Number 3 has a secret steam valve for flawless rice. Number 1 is what Michelin kitchens use but won't admit. All links below. Upgrade your cooking today. Starting at number 1. Universal Lid Pots and Pans. The Universal Lid Pots and Pans is a space-saver kitchen accessory that fits August 25th, 12-inch pots and pans, making it easy to replace multiple lids. Made of high-grade stainless steel, it is rust-resistant and dishwasher-safe. The tempered glass top allows you to monitor your cooking process while the vented hole helps to expel excess moisture. Withstanding up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, the lid's sturdy handle makes it easy to pick up, but use caution as it can get hot. Number 2. Modern Innovations Universal Lids. The Modern Innovations Universal Lids, set of 2, is a space-saving solution that fits 7 to 12-inch cookware. Made of food-grade silicone, it's non-toxic, chemical-free, and BPA-free. The Stay Cool handle is coated in heat-resistant silicone while the clear glass top with a ventilation hole allows for easy viewing of your food while cooking. The universal design fits a variety of cookware and is dishwasher-safe, making it easy to organize and clean. Number 3. Goodful Silicone Lids for Pots and Pans. Goodful silicone lids for pots and pans are made of premium, food-safe silicone that is heat-resistant up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. These multi-purpose lids can be used for cooking, storing leftovers, and keeping food warm before serving. They are dishwasher-safe and stackable, making them a great alternative to plastic wrap and foil. Number 4. Ecolution Universal Lid for Pots and Pans. The Ecolution Universal Lid is a versatile and space-saving addition to your kitchen. Designed to fit multiple sizes of cookware, from 9.5 inches to 12 inches, this lid can be used with fry pans, pots, saucepans, skillets, and more. The transparent, tempered glass allows you to easily monitor your food as it cooks, without the need to remove the lid. The vented design helps release excess moisture and pressure, preventing accidental spillovers while locking in the moisture and flavors of your food. Made with high-quality, durable tempered glass and a heat-resistant silicone edge, this lid is both safe and long-lasting. Cleaning up is a breeze as it is dishwasher-safe. With the Ecolution Universal Lid, you can replace worn-out or missing lids without having to buy new cookware, saving you money. Number 5. Walfos Universal Lid for Pots and Pans. The Walfos Universal Lid is a set of 2 pan lids made of tempered glass and food-grade silicone, designed to fit all 7-inch to 12-diameter cookware. The lids have a heat-resistant silicone rim, a cool touch handle, and a steam vent to release excess moisture and pressure. They are easy to clean and maintain, dishwasher-safe, and come with a 100% money-back guarantee. So, which of these genius lids is your perfect match? Comment gas or induction below for setup tips. If this helped, smash that like button. Share with your cooking crew. Subscribe because next week, we're exposing the number 1 lid mistake burning your food. All links in description. Happy cooking!